In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Google Docs. If you want to bring AI tools directly into your document workflow, this is a simple way to get started. We'll be using a Google Docs add-on, which allows you to access ChatGPT style features without constantly switching between tabs. This can be especially helpful for drafting, editing, brainstorming, or polishing content inside your document. To begin, open your Google Doc and look at the top menu bar. From there, click on Extensions. This is where Google Docs keeps tools that connect extra features to your document. If you've never used add-ons before, don't worry. Everything we're doing here is built right into the standard Google Docs interface. After opening the Extensions menu, click on Add-ons. This section is specifically for tools that expand what Google Docs can do. It's the place where you can manage existing add-ons or browse for new ones. Next, click on Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for apps and integrations that work with Google Docs. Think of this as the App Store for Google's productivity tools. It's where you can safely find and install supported extensions for your workspace. Once the marketplace opens, go to the search bar and type in ChatGPT. Make sure you spell it clearly so the most relevant results appear. Searching this way helps you quickly narrow down the available tools and find the one shown in this tutorial. From the search results, navigate to GPT Workspace and click on Install. This is the add-on you'll use to connect ChatGPT style functionality with Google Docs. When you click Install, Google may ask you to review permissions and confirm access. That's normal for add-ons since they need permission to interact with your documents. Just read through the prompts carefully and continue through the installation process. After the install is complete, the add-on will be connected to your Google Docs environment and you'll be ready to start using it inside your documents. If the tool doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and check the extensions menu again. In some cases, refreshing the document can also help the add-on show up properly. And that's it. You've now gone through the setup process to connect ChatGPT with Google Docs. Once installed, you can begin exploring how it fits into your writing workflow and use it to speed up content creation right where you're already working.